Hey, what's happening? It's Rodney Allen Rippy. We're at the LA Auto Show 2025, and we're here at the Fox booth, man, and it is cool. And what is your name, ma'am?
Hi, Kat.
Kat, you guys have some incredible
Thank you.
aftermarket stuff. So many different brands, Fox shops. Talk to us. How is the show going for you?
Well, it's the end of two very productive long weeks. I got here on Sunday, and it feels like 3 weeks. Longest short week.
Longest short week.
So it's been great. A lot of people don't know about Fox factory vehicles. So mostly just our goal is brand awareness. We're not selling anything.
Sure.
So just kind of talking to people about what we actually do.
Okay, so it's all aftermarket stuff, right?
It's not. So it's technically like pre-market what we're doing here.
Okay.
So we do all of the additions to the models before it even gets to a dealer to be purchased.
So they start out as a base and you guys upgrade them. Really cool.
We have certain allocations from different manufacturers. We get a certain number of chassis from Ram, from Chevy, from GMC. They all have V8s.
Yeah.
It's hard to find that.
Nice.
And then we do all the additions, and then it goes straight to a dealer from there with everything that we've added to it. So it's built into the price.
So these are actually upgrades. Would you say it's probably in the $20,000 upgrade range?
The packages range from like 30. I think average is like about 30,000.
Wow.
Average.
30,000 upgrades. So there you go, folks. Fox, man, thank you so much. Well, you see it, man. Look at this. Man, incredible Dodge Ram here. They've got a little bit of everything. Fox factory vehicles. Wow. Incredible. Beautiful Jeep. All the upgrades are here, people. That's right. And you're looking at it right here at the LA Auto Show.